receptive assessment. Which car is color?
Okay. Do you sting gigage usuwadan dagulayala?
And then the student would answer as completely as possible and also pointing to the correct.
He gigage usuwadan dagulayala. Gado you sting gigage usuwadan dagulayala. He gigage usuwadan dagulayala. Do you sting Jane usuwada dagulayala? He a Jane usuwada dagulayala. Gado you sting Shakonage usuwada dagulayala. He Shakonage usuwada dagulayala.